If you're looking for a way to add a location map to your wedding website in Canva, then this video is for you. I'm going to be using one of my templates as a base, and we are just going to be adding a section for the venue location. If you click on a section, you will see a little menu appear on the left where you can find Add Section, and I'll quickly build out an example layout. And then this is so incredibly simple. All you have to do is go under Apps and type in Maps, find Google Maps, type in your location, and add the map to your website. You'll see if you double click on the map, the little navigation pops up, so you can zoom in and out and move around the map. And we can quickly preview it on both desktop and mobile version. You'll notice your visitors can simply just click on the location and it will open up directly in the maps. When you're ready to publish, simply click on Publish Website, type in your domain or add a custom one. If you have it, click Publish and you're ready. You can share the link with all of your loved ones and make their journey easier. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'm happy to help out if I can. And if you want to use this exact template, there's a link in the description below. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Anna. I'm the brand and web designer behind Studio Bressi. And on this channel, I share easy to follow design tips alongside with Squarespace and Canva tutorials to help you feel more confident and creative as you bring your designs to life. Thank you for watching and happy creating!